How to uninstall software from HP notebooks running Windows 11. From the home page, search for and open Control Panel. In the Control Panel, locate Programs, then click Uninstall a Program. In the Uninstall or Change a Program window, select the program you want to remove from the list and click Uninstall or Uninstall/Change at the top of the program list. A prompt may appear asking if you want to uninstall. Click Yes. Read and respond to any messages that open while your software is being removed from your computer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.